Good morning from the National Weather Service in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, May 29th, 2014. We'll continue to see precipitation-free weather across northern Michigan over the next 3 days before a cold front moves in during the latter half of the weekend and brings us an increased chance for thunderstorms heading into the first part of next week. But temperatures will be mild with the sunshine and should be adding a degree or two every day through Saturday. With highs today mainly in the 70s and some 70s and 80s from Friday through Sunday. The main issue we'll be dealing with over the next couple of days is the fact that with the precipitation-free weather and warming temperatures, as well as some lowering humidity values, we will see some elevated fire danger across northern Michigan, basically until the next time it rains, which is probably at some point on Sunday ahead of the next cold front. So just be aware of burning limitations and those sorts of things over the next several days as the threat for wildfires will increase due to more favorable weather and fuel conditions. And we also expect a chance of thunderstorms, as I mentioned earlier, as we head into the first part of next week as a cold front moves into the Great Lakes region. This morning's weather map finds Michigan sandwiched between a couple of frontal boundaries, one to the north across Ontario and the second over the Ohio Valley, with a little bubble of high pressure in between. And that's basically the main configuration we'll be seeing over the next couple of days, with high pressure and control of the weather of the Great Lakes region. That frontal boundary to the north will probably sag into northern Michigan at some point later tonight or Friday, but it's not going to have any moisture with it, and no precipitation is expected as it possibly pushes into parts of the eastern UP or far northern lower. Saturday looks like another fine day with temperatures getting into the 80s in many areas, and then we see our upstream cold front over the Dakotas and northern Minnesota, and that will bring our next rainmaker for the end of the week. That concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening again. The next update is expected around 6 a.m. Friday morning.